Windows 11 is designed with gamers in mind, offering several features and optimizations to enhance the gaming experience.
So let's move on to the optimization in Windows 11. Go to the gaming mode setting like this way.
And on the gaming mode, go to the system and click the notification. Off notification setting.
Untick all the additional setting. Make sure Storage Sense is enabled.
When storage is full while playing a game, the game may lag, freeze, or crash due to insufficient space for temporary files.
Search for the Edit Power plan.
Click Change Advanced Power Settings.
If there have high performance in here,
Activate it.
If there is none, you can skip it.
in this PC, there is not advanced settings, so I skipped. Click Browse button
And select related games.
Click Options and select High Performance.
Press Windows button and R.
Type temp here.
After you enter temp, it lines go to a folder. Those are unnecessary files. Delete those. Again, type %temp% and enter.
Delete all files. Those are not necessary files.
Again, press Windows plus R and type here prefetch. It will go for a folder. You can delete the all unnecessary files here.
type masconfig.
It will goes to system configuration automatically.
Click Boot and select Advanced Settings. After you click Advanced Settings, you can select highest number of processors. In Boot Advanced option, it will help you to increase processor speed. Go to Device Manager and search for System Device. In System Manager, select High Purchase Event Time and update the drive as this.
While gaming performance on Windows 11 is generally comparable to Windows 10, users with cutting-edge hardware can unlock noticeable improvements in loading times, visuals, and responsiveness.
Graphics performance sees a significant boost with support for DirectX 12 Ultimate, enabling advanced features like ray tracing and variable rate shading. These technologies create more realistic lighting and shadows while optimizing resource usage. Additionally, the Xbox integration in Windows 11 ensures that gamers can seamlessly access Game Pass, stream titles via Xbox Cloud Gaming, and enjoy a unified gaming ecosystem. Windows 11 is Microsoft's modern operating system that brings several enhancements, particularly for gamers. It introduces technologies like DirectStorage, which dramatically reduces game loading times by allowing NVMe SSDs to handle data faster, bypassing traditional CPU bottlenecks. This results in smoother gameplay and quicker access to assets.
Windows 11e's improved multitasking tools, like snap layouts, make it easier to manage gaming overlays, chats, and other applications alongside gameplay.
Hit that subscribe button and join the journey.
Thank you for watching this video.